everyone! Today I'm going to share with you a rereading of an old favorite, The Three Billy Goats Gruff. The author of this version of Three Billy Goats Gruff is Paul Galdone. He's also the illustrator. Once upon a time, there were three billy goats. They lived in the valley, and the name of all three billy goats was Gruff. There was very little grass in the valley, and the billy goats were hungry. They wanted to go up the hillside to a fine meadow full of grass and daisies, where they could eat and eat and eat and get fat. But on the way up, there was a bridge over a rushing river, and under the bridge lived a troll who was as mean as he was ugly. There he is. First, the youngest billy goat Gruff decided to cross the bridge. Trip, trap, went the bridge. "Who's that tripping over my bridge?" roared the troll. "Oh, it is only I, the tiniest billy goat Gruff," said the billy goat in his very small voice, "and I am going to the meadow to make myself fat." "No, you're not," said the troll, "for I am coming to gobble you up." "Oh, please don't take me. I'm too little that I am," said the billy goat. "Wait till the second billy goat Gruff comes. He's much bigger." "Well then, be off with you," said the troll. A little later, the second billy goat Gruff came to cross the bridge. Trip, trap, trip, trap, trip, trap. "Who's that tripping over my bridge?" roared the troll. "Oh, it's only I, the second billy goat Gruff, and I'm going up to the meadow to make myself fat," said the billy goat, and his voice was not so small. "No, you're not," said the troll, "for I am coming to gobble you up." "Oh, please don't take me. Wait a little till the third billy goat Gruff comes. He's much bigger." "Very well. Be off with you," said the troll. Then up came the third billy goat Gruff. Trip, trap, trip, trap, trip, trap, trip, trap, went the bridge. The third billy goat Gruff was so heavy that the bridge creaked and groaned under him. "Who's that tripping over my bridge?" roared the troll. "It is I, the big billy goat Gruff," said the billy goat, and his voice was as loud as the troll's. "Now, I'm coming to gobble you up," roared the troll. "Well, come along," said the big billy goat Gruff. "I've got 2 horns and 4 hard hooves. See what you can do." So up climbed that mean, ugly troll, and the big billy goat Gruff butted him with his horns, and he trampled him with his hard hooves. And he tossed him over the bridge into the rushing river. Then the big billy goat Gruff went up the hillside to join his brothers. Look how happy they look now. In the meadow, the billy goat Gruff got so fat that they could hardly walk home again. They're probably there yet. So, snip, snap, snout, this tale's told out. And that's the end.